Hey, what's up? This is a technology preview for the Zero Knowledge Network's Metadata-Private Blockchain RPC. This is a 0KN app that's being prepared as part of the private testnet rollout. It enables sending metadata-private blockchain transactions using your existing crypto wallets. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the setup for sending metadata-private transactions over Ethereum using Metamask and Mina using Aura wallet. Other wallets will work similar. So what's special about this? Well, 0KN's private blockchain RPC is one of many developing mixnet applications. This one covers a broad use case as a layer 0 privacy solution applicable to many blockchains. And the 0KN mixnet is being specifically tuned for each of its applications to ensure academic grade optimization for our target threat models. Why you might want this? Well, this is from Metamask support here. Does Metamask collect my personal data? They say no, they don't collect your IP address, but they do send it to an RPC provider. Okay, so if you want this to be private, you need to switch to another RPC provider. You know, it says that it slurps your IP address. So, and they don't have control over that. So what we're offering is a solution for that. Okay, so how does this work? What we have here is a depiction of the Zero Knowledge Network mixnet. We have gateway nodes, mix nodes, service nodes, and clients. We're building on top of Cats and Post design here with some advanced modifications. So the client here runs on your computer. That's what I have in this terminal over here is this client. As part of the private testnet, we are making this into a installable cross-platform application. And up here in this other terminal, it's just going to spit a bunch of noise, but it is demonstrating the traveling through the mixnet. Okay. So you will install this client and you'll run it. Then you pop open your MetaMask and you're going to set up your wallets. Now this is standard. There's docs here that shows you how to do it. So I'm going to go. This covers a means to add networks that don't already exist within your wallet. So that's part of what this is. All right. So we're going to configure MetaMask to use our 0KN mixnet. Okay, so we come over here, we say add new network. It certainly shows a few errors here. That's normal in my experience on this version of MetaMask. Okay, let's give this a name. Network name. We're going to prefix it with 0KN so that we know what that is. Currency symbol here. Have a symbol. The URL. Now the way that we do this, okay, so we configure our network and chain with the URL. And now the chain ID, we're doing Sepolia, so this is the chain ID for that. Okay. All right. The chain ID is currently used by the Sepolia network. That is correct. And we see that a communication has happened with our mixnet client over here. All right. Let's save that. Network added successfully. Let's switch to it. All right. We got Alice loaded up here with some tokens, and let's have her send some to Bob. Hi, Bob. What's your address? All right. Let's see. Alice is going to send some to Bob. How much? Let's just send him a little crumb here. Okay. There's lots of transactions, lots of communications happen through the RPC. You can see from the output here, it's no joke as far as the type of things that it's transmitting. right, next. Yeah, check it out. It's getting estimated gas fees, latest blocks, things like that. All right, confirm. Yeah, let's go. This part is standard, you know, like you've done enough of these. So the point of this is that it is configured and it works. All right, and what we have here is Metadata-Private Blockchain transactions. All right, ta-da. Okay, so moving along here, let's do, I'm just going to set that back to mainnet for now. Let's check out what does, yeah, let's poke on the Aurora wallet here. All right. Okay, I've preloaded this. We're on the Berkeley testnet of Mina here. And similarly, let's set the network here. We are going to add a network. Okay, we configure it the same way. Let's see, what shall I call this? Let's give it where'd you go, or wallet? There you are. I am adding a network. Okay, add a network. Let's give it a name. This is the Unicode for that empty set. I've typed this a lot. Okay, 0KN. Let's call it Berkeley. I mean, I know it's Mina because that's the wallet I'm using here. Node URL. All right, localhost 7070. That's where my 0KN mixnet client is running. We're on the Mina chain and the Berkeley testnet. All right, confirm. Here we go. It has a different type of RPC protocol. Many are like Ethereum. Mina's a bit different, but as far as this system, it is quite similar. So there we are. We're using it. All right. Let's get to this. We are going to send some funds. All right. Let's see what we got here. We have an account 2. Let's create an account 2. Just copy that wallet. How do I copy that? There we go. Copied. All right. I'm on my account 1. And let's send some tokens through our mixnet. Have a token. 20 of them. To my account number 2. Memo. All right. Let's see what's next. Next is next. All right. Go for that. You know, this part is standard. There it is. It's doing the thing it does. All right. Well, what else could I speak to? We've just shown the configuration of the 0KN Metadata-Private RPC using Metamask and Aura Wallet. Other wallets will work similarly. And what's next? Well, we've got a client application developing that makes it easy to install this. You know, Linux, right now it's command line. We're working on a cross-platform, Linux, Mac, Windows, eventually Android and iOS. I could say the special note here is that the hardware node, the 0KN hardware node, will provide access to this mixnet client in a secure and convenient way so that other devices on your network can each access the mixnet client without having to install it on every single device, you know. So that's a shortcut on the mobile. That's easy. But we'll get there to cover that too. Yeah, our private testnet's rolling out. We've got more apps that are in development. This one is broad utility. And really you saw here was this configuration of existing wallets, and further on a roadmap into the mainnet launch, we have a 0KN native wallet and app store. What this is fully integrated with the Zero Knowledge Network's privacy offerings. And while this configuration demoed here is really flexible, really broad, we're pursuing a secure network system with inherent privacy by default, not as an optional configuration that someone might not turn on properly, that their recipient may not turn on properly, etc. It's just going to work and only work with that privacy enabled. And this will unlock new features and levels of security assurance within network communications. Thanks for watching. Till next time.